Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So I haven't done this in a minute, but I'm about to put my newly grown hair into a puff, a beautiful puff. Yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all step by step. This is like an old braid out. I got this shoestring. Yeah, I look dusty. I don't even wear these shoes. I got a shoestring, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is pick my hair. That is the key to achieve this big fro that I want. Look at my beautiful hair. If only my hair looked like this. For real. Look at it, it's so big. Okay, now I'm gonna wet my brush. Only because water and my hair love each other. And now, since my hair was in a braid, since my hair is a product of a braid out, and an old one at that is stretched. So this process was actually way easier than when I try to do it from freshly washed hair. Okay, I put the Eco Styler in the back. Gotta brush that up. Okay, now go to the front. Whoa, I just whipped the heck out of my hair. Okay. I'm brushing the front. The back and the sides. Okay. Now for my secret weapon, the Let's Teach You string. So I take it, try to make it as even as possible. I put it at the back of my hair, bring it around to the front, make sure it's even, then I tie it once, pull it, and shimmy it. So I shimmy it up while pulling. Shimmy it up while pulling. And you keep doing that until you get to your desired position of what you want your puff to be. I like mine sort of at the top. You see, my middle is always flat. Like this would be a perfect puff if my middle was not so flat. But yeah, we gonna try it though. So now I take it, I wrapped it back around, tied it again. And then I put it under, and I put it under the other. So the shoestring's not showing. I put it under the stuff I already looped. And then we get to fluffing it a lot more with the pick, because again, like I said, my middle is always flat. I think my middle is flat because I'd be so scared to mess with the curls in the middle. Cause you know when you picking your hair, you be kind of ugh. But with a puff, I don't really care about the curls. I care about the fullness. Look how much hair your girl has. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And y'all already know I'm about to add me a little scarf because that's what I do. I'm using this little bitty length I got for magnet, and I'm gonna tie it again and then tuck it. If you can't tuck it, bobby pin it, because it seems like mine don't want to tuck, so I'm about to definitely bobby pin it. Of course, make sure the bobby pin is not showing. I really need to hurry up and order the brown bobby pins and stop playing with myself with these black ones. Like, my hair is black. And then you fluff. You fluff. My hair has never been this full, y'all. This is the fullest puff I've ever had. But okay. Love you guys. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and keep coming back for more, because natural hair all month long.